opposition to Britain's plan to deport asylum seekers to Rwanda wasn't strong enough to stop it. The Court of Appeal rejected a new attempt to have the flight cancelled. Meanwhile, activists challenging deportations case by case failed to convince the High Court.
Shame on you! Shame on you!
London and Kigali have agreed on a deal under which asylum seekers who arrive illegally in the UK can be sent to Rwanda to stay in hotels like this while their cases are examined. In exchange, the UK has paid Rwanda nearly $150 million and is expected to pay more depending on how many people it deports. Asylum seekers fleeing war and persecution are safe in Rwanda, but activists are concerned some may one day be sent back to their home countries. The UN refugee body says the plan sets a dangerous precedent.
There are countries taking in millions of refugees. I'm not talking about the Ukrainians, I'm talking about countries in Africa. What am I going to tell them if they say, you know, a rich country like the UK is sending them abroad? I'll do the same.
British Prime Minister Boris Johnson repeated on Monday his goal is to stop human trafficking.
This is about making sure that we break the business model of criminal gangs who are not only risking people's lives, but undermining public confidence in legal migration.
The UN replied, there are many ways to save people risking their lives. Deporting them is not a solution.